the page reference number is K5 in brackets B, and the page number is 2011 of 4649.
And what is this?
It's also a traction out of the section 205, which shows us the data of the calls.
So lapha castle pete triple K in brackets 5B. Lapha castle kona 2011 out of 4649. So lapha iloko kisha section 205 la kumisa kona data.
Yes, you say extraction out of section 205, which shows data of calls, of which number and whose cell phone number?
It's from the cell phone number 827 044 358.
So la kuvela number 27 82704 4358.
And as belonging to?
Kelly Kumalo.
So the number ke umniniyo uKelly Kumar.
Yes, you can proceed.
Then I can also mention that the call in question, which we highlighted on exhibit K4, also highlighted at the fourth last place. With the same number, 2704 4358, received a call at 17:53:57.
So the number is 2782704438. Yathola i-call ngesikhathi sika 17:33:57.
Then we can also see that there was data usage
Yabonakala futhi ukuthi nedata yasetshenziswa.
Between the 14th or the 15th of October and the 16th of October.
So yasetshenziswa mhla 15 kuyofika mhla 16 ku-October.
Which exhibit are you referring to now?
K5B.
Yes.
Well, what I can also mention here, if we go to the data usage of the bytes, it doesn't show us how much is being used, but it can happen that she put on, let's say she's on the data the whole time, and she also listens to music or something else. Then it won't show you when she starts, it will only show you when it ends. No, when it ends.
So lana khombisa ukuthi data kwasetshenziswe ngakanani ngoba mawukuthi kwayelalela umculo angeke itshengise ukuthi yaqanga sikhatsini kodwa izokutshela ukuthi wagcina sikhatsini.
If you go to the line number 8, then when the time is 17:58:14, the tower reception is exactly the same as the tower reception. It's been mentioned by the section 205, where it was in Ivy Dale Farm, Limpopo.
So isikhathi ke lapho kwaku 17:58:14 and futhi ke bonakala ukuthi the tower yasetshenziswa iyona the tower ebonakala ku section 205 okuthiwa i-Ivy Dale eSt Limpopo.
Yes.
Okay, then I just want to mention that there is my preferred performance of my official duties and mention information were only for the purpose of analyzing who were not changed or been placed in the position of an unauthorized people.
Isikhathi ke ngenza umsebenzi wami engichazile ngalolu lwazi lona ukuthi umsebenzi wami kwawuhlaziya nje nganganikiwe umsebenzi ukuthi ngiguqule futhi nganganikiwe umsebenzi abantu abanganalo igunya.
Can you just read, before proceeding, just read the paragraph above, paragraph 7, exhibit K4 and 5.
Exhibit K4 and 5 must be read together if both are available, because it's not always that you're in position of the download of the phone. You're only in the position of the download the phone if the suspect or the tower of it has been arrested or the phone has been handed into us for downloading. Otherwise, you can only work under section 205.
Tower exhibition KK 4 no 5 bayifunde kanye qhathaniswa uma ukuthi zombili ziyatholakala ngoba kuyakhombisa ukuthi umnini wale data lana ngesikhathi ke kushawa ucingo noma kwenziwa ukuthiza kwakuseduze kwe tower efanayo.
It clarifies the fact that the owner used data time of the call or absence and in which vicinity the tower of the reception is.
Nobe ngisanda ukuchaza ukuthi kuyabonakala ukuthi kusetshenziswa isikhathi nedata ngelesikhathi kusetshenziswa itower ethize.
In my conclusion, I can therefore confirm that there was communication between Kelly Komalo on cell phone number +27 82 704 4358 with accused number 5.
Kuthiwa ngingaletha isiqiniseko sokuthi ke kwakukhona ukuxhumana phakathi kaThelly Khumalo esebenzisa cellphone 2782 704 4358 nomsolwa wesihlanu.
And Nkani with cell phone number +27 73 305 9202 on the following dates 2014 0802 and 2014 1015 using internet, which will not appear or show under normal section 205. You can only get it from downloading if the phone is available.
Kuthiwa lokho okukhulunywa ngaye ke unkani one cellphone yakho kwakuyi 2773305902 ngalamalanga ke umhla ka2 kwenyangeni yesi8 ku2014 kufaka umhla ka15 kaOctober 2014 kwakusetshenziswa ke internet le ngaveli ke ku section 205 ngayithola leyo ngokuthi wenze i-download yefone.
Do you confirm the correctness of your affidavit?
That's correct. I confirm the correctness.
Athi yakuvuma ke ukuthi ke i-affidavit yakhe yonke inobuqiniso.
And apologies to the court, my lord. It was just a miscommunication between me and the lady who printed for that wrong page.
Kwelisayo ukuthi kube nenkinganyana zokuthi ipage lela alifakile bekungelona ukuthi nje yilona babezwananga kahle nalo obemenzela umsebenzi ukuthi ethule lo mbiko.
If I can ask you to go back to exhibit K in brackets 3. You've already testified that this is the list of all the programs and applications on the cell phone. Is that correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Exhibit 3.
That's right.
And applications, what is the normal acronym for applications?
Apps. Programs.
Thike la umbiko u-K3 ukhombisa wonke ama-app akhona la ngaphakathi kwefone.
If you turn to page 3, the pages are not numbered, but if you count from the first page, be page 1, second page will be page 2, and third page will be page 3. That is the last page.
That's correct. On that page,
What is the app or the application that appears there on that page?
on that page, it's clear that she did have WhatsApp on her phone,
Kuthiwa lapha kuyabonakala ukuthi wayenaye uWhatsApp kuleyo phone.
as well as Twitter, but we haven't got the Twitter
Since, yeah.
messages. But it proved to us that she got programs in which she can use data.
Athi kuyakhombisa ukuthi nanoma ekhona Twitter kodwa engawusebenzisa maye kodwa ke lokhu kuveza ukuthi wayekwazi ukusebenzisa ama program asebenzisa idatha.
And still on your affidavit, exhibit O in brackets 1. pages 26 and 27. You've briefly touched on those pages in your evidence today, but can you just explain in detail what appears there on page 26 and 27?
What appears here, it's a worksheet, an Excel spreadsheet from the section 205.
So kuvela kulelo khasi page 26 i-Excel spreadsheet ekhishwe ku section 205.
Yes.
Combined as well as with the cell phone downloads.
Lana ke ihlanganiswe ne-cell phone download.
It's like I mentioned in the beginning, I combined the two Excel spreadsheet of the section 205 and the downloads to make it easier to present to the court.
Athika nje sengichazileke ngihlanganisile i-Excel spreadsheet evela ku section 205 nama download ukuze kube lula ukuthi kube kwethulwe la enkantolo.
So in other words, is this the information that comes from Vodacom?
That's correct.
But you don't
Pages 26 and 27. Is that a section 205 or is it something that you use to illustrate?
It's something which I use to illustrate. It's from the section 205 and the download.
Athike lokho yilo engisenzisile ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngizokhombisa kangcono la enkantolo kodwa kuma lapha ku section 205 na kuma download.
And will this information accord with the information on the section 205?
It will go hand in hand.
Yes.
But you can't, if you're in the position of the cell phone download, it's better to work with both of it. So the two can't be different from each other. But it's only the 2-hour time lapse which can make a difference.
But you must download lolwazi lolufanele ukuthi liyabonakala ukuthi liyahambisana kodwa kuzoba nalokuhluka kwesikhathi sika 2 hours.
As a court, please, my lord, as indicated earlier this morning that the defense has got an appointment at 1300 hours. We think this is the appropriate time to call it a day. We'll then proceed tomorrow.
Are you available tomorrow?
That's correct, my lord.
You are not being inconvenienced in any way.
No, okay. I'm good.
You train off your pension, even if you are not there.
It's a long leave.
Okay. Any objection to the kennel standing down until 10 o'clock tomorrow?
No objection.
Ms. Mshawulolo, any objection?
No, my lord.
Okay. Okay, thanks. Then we reconvene tomorrow at 10.